the right. How you holding up?
I don't know.
Would you like to drive this?
No.
No.
I'll pass.
Okay. Wouldn't it be fun?
No. So is there something that you needed to go faster than you're doing right now to test all that?
Well, the harder I can drive it, yeah. I mean, you game for a little harder driving?
I don't know.
Well, all right. I'll start driving a little harder, and you tell me how you're doing.
Okay.
All right, so here we go. Talk to me. You doing okay?
I don't know.
Funny.
Oh my God. I seriously feel like I'm gonna flip over.
Or not. How you doing?
No.
What's that?
Oh God. I think I'm done.
Okay. What's up, everybody? Eagles Canyon Raceway. Got the 760 Middleton Motorsports car. Long day running around trying to get ready to get here. Had to take care of a lot of stuff. Got here way later than planned. Got enough time for one session before they closed for the day. And for the first time ever going on the track, my wife, who is more than thrilled to be riding in this car around the track. Here we go. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Here we go. Beautiful day. 70, well, it was 73 early, so it's 65 now. All right, sunglasses are good. There we go. All right, this is turn one. So we're starting out just taking it easy, and then we're gonna start jumping curves and stuff later. This is turn two, up the hill. It's gonna go to the left at the top of the hill. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Alright, we got cars coming up behind us. They're hauling the mail, we're taking it easy. We can only do passing in designated areas on this track. So I'm going to set it up so he's coming up behind me on this designated passing area here. I see it coming. I see it coming. And here's the designated passing area right here. GT4. Turn 6 is a sweeper to the right. Nice and easy. 7, 8, both to the left. You see a building straight ahead. We go straight towards that. Brake. Come left. Turn 9 is a throwaway turn, meaning we don't go track out. We got to stay to the right side after 9. And then turn 10, it goes into the big straight towards the back. And this is where you get your biggest speed on this track. Off the throttle early. Cold tires, cold brakes. Turn 11, another throwaway turn. Normally track out, we need to be track left to set up. Going here, big wide radius, big circles, big speed. 13A and B is a double left. We go red and white here, all the way out onto the red and white. Hit the green in that case. Tires aren't up to temp. And then 14 is a climbing hill to the right. How you doing?
Okay.
This is where we came in on the track. You can hear me okay?
Yes.
All right, this is turn 1. Sets right up for turn 2. Going up the hill. 3 is a double left. All the way out, big radius turn. Set yourself up for the exit on 3B. 4 is a downhill sweeper to the right. Then 5 is uphill to the right. This is where we let that car pass last lap. This is a passing section through here. There's the flag station right there. He's telling you it's green. Everything is good. 6 is a sweeper to the right. Stay left side loaded and transition to right side loaded. Going into 7, 8. Looking for that building. Go straight towards the brake. Off the brakes. Left around 8. 131. My fastest in there is about 140, maybe just a tick over. Sweeper to the right. How you holding up?
I don't know.
All right, I'll back it down a little bit. Again, we'll just take it easy. We're just out on a tour. Red and white, all the way out here onto the red and white. Set up for the exit here. We're going to climb the hill to the right. We're going to do a late apex on this one. Instead of hugging right, we're going to drift out here. Then we're going to tighten up and get on throttle, late apex. Here's a passing zone and a fast car coming up behind. We've got another car coming up. We're going to let them pass in the front straight. Looks like their buddies are the same cars. So we start jumping the curbing here, getting on the green, getting on the red and white here.
So that's loud?
What's loud?
Is it allowed?
Oh yeah, yeah. You so this track doesn't. Coda's a little different. Coda has a double white. You can't cross the second white of Coda. Here, you just can't go, through the grass kind of thing. This is an up G, so the car is loaded. Coming up here, you get more grip. Keeps the rear end planted. Throttle, and we tighten. We want to be up by this red and white towards the end. Left side loaded, a little brake check. Right side loaded. Coming around here, straight towards that building. Brake check, off brakes. There we go. 9 is a throwaway. We want to be right side of the track over here. Setting up for the speed. Here comes the speed again. On the brakes early and not as violently as I do by myself. Sweeper to the right. Would you like to drive this?
No.
No.
I'll pass.
Okay. Wouldn't it be fun?
No.
Alright.
If it was a parade route and everybody was going slow, then I'd say yes.
Yeah, no, this is full speed cars and a lot of dedicated track cars out here. 3A and B, a double apex left. We come all the way out here, track edge, to set yourself up for this corner here. We can let that car pass. Right in here. We'll give them the outside line. Actually, I think that's the car I drove when I was doing that private track day here. I took some people, and I was in that car.
Now, is that tires or brakes I smell?
A little bit of both. I mean, it's just racetrack smell. You're smelling the car ahead, too, and, we're right behind them. But, yeah, hot tires, hot brakes.
So you did some repairs, I guess, or whatever you want to call them this morning?
Yeah.
Yesterday?
That was a big project yesterday. So
what are you out here testing to make sure it's functioning properly?
Well, the car is running normally, so it's been a good test so far. So I put in new coils and new spark plugs. I had a problem down in Coda where it lost all power. Car sounded like it was a lawnmower just running on a few cylinders. Super rich, just dumping gas through, not sparking, no burning, no power. And I was out there with the very advanced white group, which hauls frickin' ass. I joined the session late. Had Nathan with us, and for the people listening and watching this video later, Nathan's our son. We went out onto the track late, and the car's already at speed. And I'm trying to diagnose what's going on with our car and having to keep passing people, or letting people pass. So it was kind of crazy, but yeah, the car was broken.
So So is there something that you needed to go faster than you're doing right now to test all that?
Well, the harder I could drive it, yeah. I mean, you game for a little harder driving?
I don't know.
Well, all right. I'll start driving a little harder, and you tell me how you're doing.
Okay.
All right, so here we go. Just talk to me, you know. Get much more aggressive on the throttle, brakes, and, you know, turn-ins. Okay?
I think so.
All right. These tires are well worn. I put used tires on just to keep the other tires good for today. All right, we're catching up to Mr. Porsche that we let pass. Oh, dished out there a little offline. Good correction. There we go. All right, there's 100, 110, 120, 130. I didn't see the speed because I was looking out front. How you holding up?
Oh my.
Funny.
I feel like I'm gonna flip over.
Or not. Do not try this at home. I am a trained professional. Alright, let's see if we can catch this guy by the... Oh, he's going in. Alright, so he's gonna go in right up here. We gotta give him a little space. There he goes. To me. You doing okay?
I don't know.
Funny.
Oh my God.
Well, you said you were ready for a little crazier driving.
Well, let's just say I wanted to experience it. I don't know if I like it or not.
It's fun. You gotta go with me to Kona sometime. That track is nuts. And then Ozarks, when we go up for Shelby Fest, that track is way crazy.
That's got hills too, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, a lot of hills. This track has a little bit of hills, but yeah, Ozarks is very 3D. A lot of hills. A lot of elevation change. Alright, let's see if we can attack this a little better this time. There we go, that's better. Oh yeah, better line. Old tires are still holding. Pressures are getting up there. Little trail braking. Tires squealing, talking to me. Big sweeper 12. Big radius turns. Double apex left. All the way out on the curbing. Alright, we're going to late apex this one this time. We're going to come out here and we're going to tighten it up. We're going to start feeding in the throttle earlier. There we go. How you doing?
No.
What's that?
Oh God, I think I'm done.
Okay.
Or one lap a little bit slower, and then I'm done.
Okay, so I'm going to take it nice and easy, calm on this lap. I'm going to go kick your ass out, and then I'm going to send it.
That's fine.
Good job. That's crazy.
I made it 15 minutes.
Yep, and there was 2 or 3 crazy laps in there, so yeah, fun. I'm not sure what lap times we've done. I see a 210 there. My best here is a 206, but these tires are well worn, so I don't quite have the grip to be doing that.
I survived, world. I survived.
Fist bump. Booyah. Okay, off track. Not off track, but done with the track for the day. So first of all, Trooper here, we were just talking. So went out there taking it easy, just kind of narrating the track. It's the first time she's ever ridden with me on the track. And then she's like, I think I want you to send it. I'm like, what? Are you serious? We're recording intercom. I don't know when it stopped recording, so I'll find out later if you heard that conversation or not. But I'm like, really? Should we go? She's like, I want to experience it. So we sent it. And?
I don't know. At what point my lunch decided it was going to come back up and I said we were done.
Yeah, I was driving pretty hard, hitting the brakes hard, on the gas, whipping around the corners, jumping the curbs, and she stuck with it like a big dog. She's now a track veteran. We can do this again. Maybe have to ride with me at Ozarks. Come back up here definitely, maybe even Coda. So then I kicked her ass out. I went out solo, tried sending it, got some traffic, finally got a little clearance, and then my right rear tire is dumping pressure. I'm not sure if it's these crappy tires that I have on the car using up to save my good ones, or if I got a problem with the wheel or the stem. I'll find out later, but all I know is I went from 34 to 27 to 24, and it's now down to 22. So we're gonna have to air it up, get it in the trailer, and live to fight another day. So a big part of today's mission, other than getting her out on track, which was a big part of the mission, was to test my coils and spark plugs, and the car ran strong, 0 issues, so success! Thanks for watching. Parting words? You gonna do this again?
I'll do it.
You heard it. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks to Middleton Motorsports. See ya.